think I'm live again. Let's go! Yippee. Let's fix these guys a tiny bit. Perfect. They're not falling apart, that's just your eyes deceiving you. Alright. What am I doing now? Upgrades. Let's put on some. I'm gonna put on some music for myself and probably get another copyright claim like last time. Oh well. Spotify. Cool. Alrighty. Upgrade service. Do I not have one? I don't. Self.networker. Networker.client.new. Upgrade service. Ah, you're back. That was quick. You're waiting. Insane. Server.lua. Type server equals type server. Working on music. That's cool. I can't do music for the life of me. I think I did a live stream when I was very young of trying to make some music in FL Studio. It was horrible. Upgrades, but I haven't really tried in a while. Self.attempt upgrade. Actions. Upgrade self server player. Okay. Music is a lot about testing. Yeah. I mean, you've got to dedicate a lot of time to music to get good at it. I mean, that goes with anything, but I mean, what am I calling this? Upgrades. Okay, we need info. We have one. We have cost. I think I'll have cost and then like I'll just multiply the number for the upgrade percentage or something like that. That's good. These are placeholder for now. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't made any conveyors, but for the conveyor upgrades, I'm kind of planning on having new conveyor models. But I don't really want to do all that modeling, so I'll do it. Why is player yellow? Okay, hang on. Good data equals data service. Oh. Type.data. Let's go upgrade, which is a string. I actually really like this new theme. The orange and like the blue and everything. It actually kind of looks cool. Okay. Upgrade cost equals. Upgrades. Upgrade. Data.upgrades. +1. It's clunky, but this should be a number. By the way, yeah. Press J to go downwards. K to go upwards in your code? Not the down and up buttons? What if you want to press J or K in your script? What? No, that's interesting. Okay. Oh. That's weird. I feel like NeoVim's gonna be such a change if I want to switch to it. Where's this music? Wait, what am I streaming? Ah. A huge difference. Yeah. I'll give it a go at some point. Okay. Data dot. Okay. No, data service. No. Date player. Upgrades. No. Function. Right. Oh. Dude. That's like an entirely different way to code. Like pressing numbers on how many lines you want to go down is wild. KKK, 2KK, 1KK, 1, 2J, I don't know. Yeah. I mean, do you use it often? Like, it sounds like you've used it before, but, like, surely it can't be that good. Is this it? I'm gonna silence self. I've learned it for fun. Yeah. I mean, it would definitely come in handy if you didn't have a mouse. But apart from those circumstances, I feel like it's just kind of difficult. Upgrade service server. Transforming. Oh yeah, like going through and finding every word that's place and changing it. Yeah. It's whole purpose. Yeah. Do text faster. Upgrades client. I'm just sort of guessing right now where I should put the upgrades. I don't really have a place where I should initialize them. Upgrades. Okay. Enemy service. This is messy. This is really messy. Wait. Where am I passing through the level? Yeah. Alright. Plot service. Self.plot. Upgrades activated. Client connect function. Upgrade string. And then I just self dot. Okay, this is messy. I'm not gonna refactor now. There we go. Dot activated function. Not type checking it properly. Plot service client. There's no need for me to be putting them down here. It's actually probably worse to have them down there. Grades. Um. Okay. Let's see if this works. Tempted to add on nil. Data upgrades upgrade. I'm guessing I haven't put the upgrades and upgrades of the data template. Is enemies the actual upgrade or? Yeah, it is. Man, I gotta. Enemies. Anything else? I would have thought they would need a bit more than that. Yeah. Oh, it works. Hang on. I'll show you guys. So, now you click play. You spawn a couple crates and stuff. This is going to be the upgrade button. You see how they're spawning like that? You press upgrade. It starts giving you the next level. So let's put down a crate. Let's get an even better crate. We can upgrade it even more. Hoot. Now let's wait and see who spawns. Oh, I got the mythic one. Let's go. Yeah, look at these. Next level. And then even more levels. I don't know how many levels I did. What happens if I click it again? Yeah, I don't think there's more than this level. Alright. Wait, am I showing it? Yeah, I am. Okay. So... yeah. That was so much effort to change the zombie's color. Let's get some actual prices in. I'd say like 5,000 for the first. 25,000. I'm just squaring it each time, aren't I? No, I'm timesing it by 5. What's that gonna be? It's 625, right? Okay, let's get some UI going. What would the UI look like? Like upgrade zombies and then the price as just a billboard GUI? Upgrade button UI. Okay, I'm gonna make a new folder actually here for UI. Okay. Browse. What am I doing? Okay. So upgrade string. That's probably all I really need to pass through. Oh. Can I, what? Upgrade. Oh, right, props to upgrade. Oh. I haven't made scope yet. This is probably frying my eyes doing all this. I'd probably take better breaks. What do I have? I think these are blue blockers. They're tiny. They're so small. That looks so cool. You're wearing, yeah, I gotta protect. I mean, these are like some odd looking blue blockers though, if they are though. I highly doubt they are. These just look like sunglasses. Especially with the white theme, yeah. Should I just wear sunglasses for the rest of the stream? Because I feel my eyes starting to hurt. They're tiny. Dude. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh no, those are blue blockers. I think. How's this look? This is so amazing. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of the stream like this. I look so distinguished. Yeah, I look like someone from the Matrix right now. This is amazing. Scope new. Avoid GUI. There we go. I cannot do the entire thing like that. It looks so bad. Uh, looks don't matter. Right. I'll do 6-3 again, because it seemed to work last time. Yeah, I'll do a UI list layout. Center. It's not Udemy too. Let's get text label. Oh. It sounds like something Terry A. Davis might have done. But I swear Terry A. Davis would not... Would Terry A. Davis smoke? I don't know. Oh no, he would have smoked for sure, yeah. It could have been Terry. Really? There's one clip that's coming in my mind where he's writing an angry message to the government. And I'm fairly sure he's smoking quite a bit in it. Let's just upgrade. Two for now. Yeah, I think that's the method. Gotta start smoking to become the greatest scripter in the world. Local cost equals, no, local upgrade equals use I don't know what I'd call it. Return upgrades. Upgrade. Prompts to upgrade. Oh, gee whiz. If cost, then we'll return cost. Else return maxed. Size into Wah. Whoa, what am I doing? Um. Okay, what else? Whoa. Sort order, casino dot sort order dot add order. Some more thunder. Okay, well, let's switch back to this guy. Dude, I do that stuff all the time. I forget to initialize a service, thinking there's a bug in it. It's very sad. Shh. Someone almost interrupted the stream. You can just set it to main. No, I did vector too. Yeah, that should work. Okay. Let's see. Alright, I forgot to put the plot back in the assets folder. It's a bit smaller than I would have hoped for. Okay, make that a bit bigger. Okay, too high and still too small. Wow. Yeah, you like the fit? You like these cool glasses I've got on? I like... Oh. Of course, you're complimenting the game before my glasses. Thank you. I found them on the floor and I'm hoping they're blue blockers because my eyes hurt. the cost should actually be returning with a little like that. I don't know how to make it any bigger. Like, what? I feel like it just starts getting excessive if I start doing stuff like that. Alright. Glasses equals blue light blocking glasses for sure. Yeah. Exactly. So true. I gotta have some cool effects on it when they upgrade. I'll show Marshmallow the new animations I've added to everything. No point in skipping, it's almost done. Wow, look at this guy. And then like there's little parts that tween into your character. No, I'm on Roblox Studios, so when you're developing a game, they set your Robux to the integer limit, I'm fairly sure. So it's like 2 billion or something. I do not have 2 billion Robux. I wish. Oh, and I worked on the shop last night, so it's very bare bones at the moment. But do the buttons? They don't do anything yet. Blah. And rebirthing all does its stuff. I did the grass since last time you were here, I think. Yeah. Anyway, what was I working on? I should add a format number. Wait, what am I streaming? There we go. It would be in math, I'm fairly sure. So the number, which will be a number. Short. Yo, what's good? Short or long? I'm just gonna have like a boolean, like a possible chance. I just return a number now, but so we can run these guys through it. I think there is what? A storm abroad? Because there is a storm happening right now. I forgot what I said. What is the currency? There is. Yeah. This guy is going to be formatted long. True. But generally I don't want to format them long. Okay, create service modules, create UI, they've got the cost in here. Where's text? Okay, format this. What else needs formatting? I think that's probably it. Alright. Now I've actually got to make... I'm just gonna cheat a tiny bit and take the code from my old project. Modules. Game. Where'd I put this? UI. Okay, so this isn't terribly helpful. I'll put it in though. This is just going to be able to format short. So, wait, take this guy. I'm going to do capitals. We'll rename it to N. If... I don't know, if not long then. What string? Is this guy add any commas or no commas? I don't think he does commas. I want, so basically for long, it's gonna be more like that, you know? Adding the commas every 3. So, I don't know. I type so quickly. I can hashtag string, right? Can you... I don't know if you can get like the string length. Maybe string... So that means... Yeah, okay. This is... for... Alright. Ciao, ciao. If I... %3 equals 0, then... you know, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna feed it to ChatGPT. He knows what I'm trying to do. I don't have it open. Okay. Let's see how that went. I mean, seems to be working to me. And creates a formatted short. So, yeah, 500k. Okay. Nice. That's it. What should I work on next? Should I design some conveyors? I'm gonna have to do that eventually. Okay. This can actually be 2, because it's like not the worst possible. I think the worst possible should be dirt. Wait, where am I streaming? The wrong thing. Okay. Something like that. This still has to be a conveyor. The trails changed color as well. Right. What's the color on here? Odd. Right, light stone color maybe? We need some grassy, like, tufts of grass coming out as well. Alright. I'd say that looks pretty nice. Then we go like to a... Oh. There we go. Alright. I feel like the orange on the outside looks a bit too orange. Like it's meant to be dirt colored, so... You know what? That's good. Oh man, I think my plugin crashed. Where is it? Okay, that looks pretty nice. Or like a golden conveyor. Please don't have all those issues again. copy. Why is it so difficult? Okay. Let's change this. Oh, nice orange. Kinda tough. I don't like this though. Thank you. I know. I think it actually looks really nice. Change this guy. Yeah. That was the issue. I was just trying to fix it a bit. And then I want like a futuristic one, but I think I should also have a diamond one. And that would give me 5. So, I mean, 5 is a good amount. To start with, at least. Yeah. I'll try switching it up a tiny bit. I mean, the futuristic one would be more of like a box and... Yeah, right. I'll switch it up. I'm getting lazy. You're right. How should I switch it up a bit, though? Yeah. I'll just reskin them now, and then I'll edit them very soon. Oh, it's this song again. Right. Okay. I'm gonna have to give each of these a save frame part as well, so I can move them. I like the green on this. The green on this adds like a lot. If I didn't have green on here, it would look ugly. Okay, let's try the futuristic one. No, it's not working. Or is it just already too saturated? Okay. No more of all this rock. I wish I was a bit better at building. This is not my strong suit. Yeah. I don't really understand why we've got C-frames. We can just keep rotation and position a bit separate. Well, wait, are these all C-frames? Oh, they are. Oops. It's not my problem, they're a bit buggy. A bit Z-framey. Z-fighting. Uh... Mm. Ah. That's cool. Yeah, that is true. A couple of things do require the position and orientation in the same thing. How do I make this look good? This is ugly. Bless you. You sneezed very loudly then. Let's take these. I actually have no clue what I'm doing right now. How do I make this look nice? Wow, doesn't that look immaculate? I'm going back to that one later. That's ugly. Let's get these C-frames situated. Primary part. Yeah. Probably should have done the C frames at the start. There we go. Now we're gonna script all this to work. Let's open up the plot. It's 2 a.m. but exactly, it never stops. I was up till 2, maybe 3 nights ago working on this game, and I was so tired. And then the next day after that, I decided to stream, so I don't like such late nights though. Come here. What? This. Alright. Time for some refactoring. Let's go. Yeah, they're your best ideas, because you can't critically think of it. I think for me that happens as well, but like in the morning I wake up again and realize that my idea wasn't as great as I thought it was, which is usually very sad. This conveyor should be on the server. Man, I must be sick. Let's do conveyor. Nah, we can always. self dot upgrade connection. Player upgrades conveyor. Connect function value, which is also a number. F self dot. This is gonna be the least of my worries, all of this stuff here. So much of the crate logic needs to be changed now. Oh. I need to pass this into the type checking again. Value. Okay. Now let's set up the button. Okay. Upgrade button. Start. And I think I can probably copy most of this logic. Pretty ugly, but it'll work. Just means they'll share the same debounds, which is fine. And we're gonna go. Yeah. Probably should have. Could have been a bit worse. I almost tipped over my my water. Yikes. My bad. Whoops. Oh. Okay. Let's see these errors start rolling in. Oh, whoops. Oh. Forgot to pivot it too. I am actually shocked that that didn't fully break. I mean, surely it will when I upgrade it, though. Alright. We go pivot it 2. There's so many in here. I gotta clean this up a bit. Who's spamming emojis? Stop the tomfoolery right this second. Who is it? There's like... Oh. The creative side B. Nobody says what? Tomfoolery? You don't like tomfoolery? Tomfoolery is an amazing word. Exactly. Now this should work every single time. What is this? Yeah? The headphones are what you noticed before my cool sunglasses? What is this goofy music? Dead. I can't find a single thing of music. Thank you. That's what I was waiting for. My cool sunglasses. I'm speaking as close as I can without going into the red on my microphone thing. Okay. Now this... Red is not good. Stop it, mister. I know red is not good. Oh. How'd your guy, like, change into a weird red guy? That's cool. Yeah. Ah. It's in the yellow zone for the most part. Yeah, these are some more errors that I was kind of expecting to happen. Spamming emojis now, are you? Alright. These are... Luckily the issues I'm getting with the crates is not that bad. Okay, crate conveyor. Sadly, we can't do that anymore. Bye-bye, crate conveyor. How do I jump to the next example? No self.crate conveyor. Am I doing self.plot or... I'll do plot, but the conveyor is going to be changing, so... I am locking in, mister. Is this better? How locked in am I? I can't do that. That's, alright. That's a very interesting fix. Don't make me mute you, mister. What? The unreality is getting a little out of hand here, calm down. The unreality is an interesting word. There we go. This is what I was hoping would work. Okay, now that first one just needs a bit of fixing for some reason. Did I not do the primary part? Yeah, I didn't. It has no primary part? Dude. Yeah, who is this AI in the chat right now? Mr. Creative Side B. Oh. Yeah. His image is not blinking. What do you have to say for yourself? This guy's a clink. Why is this... Okay. Why is the pivot point so goofy on this? I'm not locking in, mister. Hopefully that doesn't break anything, but I just need to reset its pivot. No, I did eat breakfast before stream. What are you... That's what the... What did I call it? Yeah, I have eaten breakfast, now I can stream. What do you think? I haven't eaten breakfast, now I can... This guy can't read. Illiterate. Yeah, I do. Okay. This is actually looking pretty good. Except that's animating that guy. Okay, we're gonna add a couple more effects and stuff. I think we're getting pretty close though. I know. Exactly. Hang on. AFK for like 2 seconds. I'll leave the stream going there. I'll only be 2 seconds. Guess who's back? Let's resize this a bit. Right. I realized you guys can't actually see what I was doing. I'll show you the cool new stuff. So now you spawn in. Wow. You can spawn a couple crates. No errors. Boom. Upgrades. I'll have a cool effect, I think. Yeah. Spawn crates. Boom. Spawn crates. Boom. Alrighty. Enemies upgrade. This is looking good. Ah. Dude. I was wondering why everything was so bright. Okay. Dude, I'm gonna have to make another 2 tweens, because these are for the... Oh man, this is some ugly, ugly spaghetti right here. I'm closing it so I can never look at that again. Now it's up to... I'm out of water. Let's see. What else do I need to do? I gotta balance everything. Okay, it's this. Wait, what am I streaming? These are gonna be like really expensive. And how many zombies do I have? Five. Can do one more upgrade. Yeah, that's way too much of a jump. Um, what am I looking for? Can do the offline rewards now, I guess. Why is there no good music? Tired of music again. Last login is not a table. What I'm doing. I'm gonna have to update the type. It's a number. How do I want to do the offline rewards? I'm guessing functions. Self dot. No, okay. We can get the data. Time since last login equals data dot last login. OS dot time minus data dot last login. Data dot placed. Do v dot. I haven't done mutation logic. Local damage equals times v dot name. Okay. Let's add mutation in here for the mutation bonus. Something like that. I don't know. equals times divide by 100. Okay, maybe 100's a bit excessive. Data service. Currency service, no. Oh, hang on, I'm in the currency service. Yeah, alright. Ciao, ciao. I might be streaming when you wake up, so yeah, thanks. I plan on just streaming all day till I get this game done. Have a good rest. Let's see if you're still streaming. Yeah, okay. Hopefully I am. Otherwise I got tired and probably took a break. Oh. I'm not initializing? That's a bit odd. We'll do a player removed as well to clean it up. That's probably it. Not much to clean up for these. And Set layout. Last login. Start time. I'm starving. Oh, it's lunchtime. I can have lunch. That's probably a good idea. Should I have lunch? I'm gonna go make some lunch. So I'll go AFK again. Not very productive, but oh well. I made lunch, so I'm eating lunch. I never eat lunch. I just make it. Now I'm gonna eat it now on stream. What? Yeah. I'll eat it and then I'll come back. I'm back. Alright. What am I doing? Okay. S minus. Right. Okay. Claim offline rewards is what I need to do next. Rewards. Self amount number. Yeah. Right, what am I streaming? Yeah, alright. Okay. And I have to design this. Figma. No exit button. Big text in the center. New. How do I make this different? You and okay. Then even bigger text for the $, dues that was earned. 300k. Wow, offline. And then I'll have a button to claim and one button to double. doesn't need to be this wide. I'm sure it could live being a tiny bit smaller. And double's gonna be like a purple button. Change the stroke color. There we go. Okay, that looks so tough. And we can change these. That looks good. Why am I wearing headphones? I've got no music playing. I think I might have to change that. Get some music going. What size should I do? Anchor point. Image. I haven't done the image yet. No. It's gonna be like 500. 100. Anchor point. Uh, 0.50. Let's do some animated button. um. What am I doing? Is that a component? Oh, not a capital. Shop service modules, UI components. Oh. The image is just gonna be different for this. center. I'm slightly sick. What's the time? Alright, I'm gonna take a break from streaming for a bit. Ciao.